Alrighty, righty. We're gonna make my favorite sandwich. EverRoast chicken and Muenster toasted sandwich. It's so easy. It's gluten-free. I just preheat the oven to 350 degrees. I cut a baguette roll right down the middle. Well, actually, I'm doing two. And I just stick it in for 2 to 3 minutes just to give it a little toasting. On the top portion, I'm just going to spread it with some gourmaise. And oh my goodness, this boar's head gourmaise is bold and fiery chipotle gourmaise. On the bottom portion of the roll, I just put a layer of spinach, then tomato slices, then chicken, which is actually boar's head EverRoast, oven roasted chicken breast, sliced at the deli. And then we're gonna do a nice thick layer of Muenster cheese, and it's also boar's head. And I just used half a pound. This fed 5 to 6 people, and we were stuffed. So, and you can make it for under $25. All of that. This is much more convenient to make at home than if you went out to eat, say, 2 Panera bread. And to feed this many people would be much more costly than the amount I spent, which was less than $25. I didn't know this until I visited the Boar's Head website, but their meats, cheeses, condiments, and hummus are gluten-free. So if you're avoiding gluten, you can be rest assured that you don't need to avoid Boar's Head products. Other companies use fillers and seasonings that aren't safe for people with a gluten sensitivity, but Boar's Head does not. So I'm very happy to see that. Alrighty, just thought I would share this recipe. Over and out.